Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN HR Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your phone and the Wear OS application to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our phone. And in settings, let's find the notification access. On my phone, it's hidden in the notifications. And here we have the notification access option. If you can't find it, you can tap on search and type in notification access and then tap on search and it should direct you to it. If you can't find it anyway, you can always open the Wear OS application. And on the main page, if you don't have required permissions allowed, you may see the pop-up right here and you can tap on turn on watch notifications and it's gonna pop up right here. I'm just gonna go back to settings and show you how to do it through settings. So in settings, tap on notifications, tap on notification access. Right here, find the Wear OS application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and once you allow it, you can close the settings. Now, tap or rather press and hold on the Wear OS icon like this. Once the menu appears, tap on the app info. Here, tap on permissions, and I recommend to allow a couple of permissions like call logs, phone, SMS, and calendar. Once you allow them, you should be able to receive the notifications about the calls. Okay, now let's open the Wear OS application. In the app, scroll down and find the option called notifications. Tap on it, of course, then tap on change watch notifications. And here we can enable or disable the notifications for specific features and apps on our phone. For example, let's say I enable the notifications for Discord. Let's say it's enabled. And once you enable the notification, for example, for Discord, and you receive that notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable this app here, you will only see it on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the message on our phone, and let's check if we got it on our watch. I'm gonna open the notification panel, and here we have it. Okay. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.